Good afternoon, guys. This afternoon we're going to test this Daikin 1 HP horsepower, which the problem before the compressor is not uh, turning on continuously. It stopped. Now this fan motor is working so far. See. Now this Daikin, we troubleshooted and check it. All the these points in parameters are okay, but it is not continuously working. So we will wait until the fan motor and compressor are working. But the customer did not bring the outdoor compressor, outdoor fan motor of this. That's why I use this light as fan motor, this red light. Now we're going to wait to turn on this light as outdoor fan motor, and likewise the compressor. It takes maybe 3 minutes before it turning on. Now the outdoor fan motor is working, this light, and also the compressor is working. Now we have to observe whether it stops or not. Several minutes it need to confirm that it would never again to stop the compressor. So by the way, guys, what we replaced the IPM, this one, new solder. See? But I have no somebody to video. I myself the one who video of this. That's why I'm unable to video while I was repairing this. We will wait until it running faster, the compressor. Now it running fast the compressor. See? Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like the video, please press the like button, and also please subscribe if you like. Okay, until next video, I'm gonna switch off this.